My name is Sharmila Thapa and I am from Assam. I am currently pursuing my BE from LNCT in Electronics and Instrumentation Department. I currently have job offers from four companies, that is Cognizant, Infosys, TCS and Accenture. When I joined this college way back in 2016, I had no clue about these training processes. So I would like to specially thank my faculties for helping me in this. I would also like to extend my heartiest gratitude towards the Training and Placement Department who gave us such amazing opportunities, provided training classes and also the LNCT test portal, practicing in which helped us a lot during the written examination for companies. Thank you very much.
Everyone, this is Sanchit Srivastava. I'm a student of LNCTS EC branch Bhopal and I recently got placed in Matrix Comsec, and for that I am very much thankful to all the faculty members of my department and along with all the members of the TNP group and the management group also for conducting various placement related activities throughout the session and making this journey from college to the corporate world much easier. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Prashant Mani and I am from Bihar. Currently I am the student of final year doing B in Mechanical Engineering from LNCT Bhopal. The year 2016 when I took admission in this college, at that time I was not much aware about the campus, company and campus preparation. But as days passes, college has provided us many more platforms to develop our knowledge, personality skill, leadership skill, and many more. The campus placement cell department has provided us a special training for the campus placement. As a result, today I have a job offer from one of the big MNC that is called Cognizant. Thank you, placement cell department. Thank you, LNCT.
Hello everyone, this is Priyansh Srivastava from Jhansi, currently pursuing BTech from LNCT Bhopal, EC department, second year. So, the time where because of the global pandemic, the whole country stopped. Education in LNCT, never. I was really tense about my upcoming examinations as I am so far away from my college. But thank you to all the faculty members, our HOD and LNCT for providing us 100% course completion through our online classes. I am very proud to be a LNCTian. Thank you LNCT. LNCT, working towards the best.
Hello everyone, I am Megha Malviya. I hail from Harda, MP. I am pursuing BE in Information Technology from LNCT Group of Colleges, Bhopal. And currently I am in 8th semester. I have got placed in Accenture at 6.5 LPA. Talking about my journey at college, it all started with getting exposed to various engineering subjects from different fields in the first year. And second and third year, we started getting our stream related subjects. We studied and explored them and made ourselves clear with their practical implementations and importance. From the 6th semester onwards, the placement season and placement preparation started. And now it's proceeding towards its finish line. And yes, the whole journey was embedded with lots of extracurricular activities as well. And one more thing I want to tell is that if you want to go into IT industry, then keep building your coding skills right from your initial years of college. This will also make your technical subjects and technical concepts strong, and the benefit of these two will be reflected at the time of your placement. The TNP department has greatly helped me in achieving my goals. It has conducted many placement preparation classes. It has also conducted mock interviews which gave us the real feel of what one experiences during the interview process. It has provided us with lots of motivation for appearing in an interview process and facing the interviews at different points of time. So it was really an amazing journey, and seeing myself growing with the help of my friends, faculties and TNP department. I hope your journey is amazing too. All the best.
Hello everyone, my name is Astha Sinha and I am from Bihar. Currently I am pursuing BE from LNCTS Bhopal in Electronics and Communication branch. I have been placed in 4 companies, that is Cognizant, Wipro, TCS and Accenture. For that, I would like to thank my faculty members and our EC department for their motivation and guidance. I would also like to extend my gratitude towards training and placement department for such amazing opportunities. The GD session and the mock interviews they had arranged for us were very helpful during our campus placements. Once again, thanks to the entire LNCT group. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Saurabh Kevlani and I am from Katni, Madhya Pradesh. I am currently pursuing my BE from LNCT Bhopal from the Electronics and Instrumentation branch, which falls under the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I want to thank my department and all the faculties for their continuous support. There are always ups and downs in a student's life, but the support from the department and the faculties was rock solid, which made me realize that yes, I am capable of doing the thing I am. I am currently placed in Wipro and Cognizant, and I am happy with the training and the placement department also. It is a great support to be a part of such a great family. Thank you, LNCT Bhopal.
Hello everyone, I'm Vijay Srivastav. I belong to Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor's in Engineering from LNCT Bhopal and studying Computer Science. The academic exposure I received at LNCT was truly remarkable. I would like to thank my faculty members for their continuous support and guidance. Apart from academics, the extracurricular activities such as hackathons organized in the college helped me to gain skills such as organizing events and team leadership. As of placements, I am currently placed in two multinationals, T-Systems India and Cognizant. I would like to thank the TNP department for conducting trainings and mock interviews which helped me to prepare well for my placements. Thank you.
Friends, I am Abhay Manmore. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor of Engineering from Lakshminarayan College of Technology in Electronics and Instrumentation branch. Currently, I am having 3 job offers, out of which I chose to be associated with Cognizant Technology Solution, where I have completed my 4-month internship as well. I would like to thank all the faculties of LNCT who motivated me on my tracks. I would also like to thank Training and Placement Department for bringing such golden opportunities to reach our destinations as early as possible. Thank you so much, LNCT team, LNCT management, who helped us a lot, and thanks for all your support. Thank you.